In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your planner as a shortcut to your home screen. First thing you want to make sure is that your planner is opened up in Goodnotes so that when you go into the Shortcuts app, it'll be easier to find. Once you have your planner opened up in your Goodnotes app, you're going to go over to the Shortcuts, and you can access your Shortcuts app by just swiping in a downward motion, and you'll see your search bar come up, and you can just type in Shortcuts. Once you're in the Shortcuts app, you're going to tap on the plus sign, and in this search bar we're going to write in Goodnotes, and you will see a list of different documents come up, and you should find your planner there. Next thing you're going to do is tap on the little information icon, and then you're going to tap add to home screen. This is where you're going to name your planner, whatever you want to name it, and then here we're going to change the icon. And then you can upload an image from your photos or your files. In this case, I'm going to choose my Files app. This is where I kept my shortcut images. And then I'm going to head over to my downloads. And now I have all of my shortcut images. So if you're looking to get these images, make sure that on that download PDF, and I will show you what I'm talking about. On your download PDF, you should see where it says Enter VIP Vault. This is where you'll be able to access all of those images. Once you enter the vault, you will be able to use that Google Drive link and copy it into Safari. Once you're in the drive, you're going to tap on this drop down and you're going to tap download. Those files will then zip, and then you'll be able to download those to your Files app. Once you have those, you would just unzip and you will basically have all of your shortcut images. Now heading back over to the Shortcuts app, we're going to use those, and you're just basically going to select which one you want to use. And I'm going to select this one, and then I'm going to tap add. And now you will see that my planner has come up on my home screen as a shortcut, and I'm just going to add it to where I want to position it on my home screen. So now when I open it, it will open up to my planner.